How to transfer crypto from Kraken to a DeFi wallet. So you first have to select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer. This could be Ethereum, Bitcoin, or any other specific token. Then go ahead and make sure you have the correct network for your DeFi wallet. So for example, if you're transferring Ethereum-based tokens, you might use the Ethereum mainnet or a layer 2 solution like Polygon. So once you have your cryptocurrency in mind and your network, you can then access your DeFi wallet. This could be MetaMask, Coinbase wallet, or any others. Then simply navigate to the receive or deposit section. Then input the cryptocurrency you want to receive and the network you've chosen on Kraken. Then copy the wallet address and paste it on Kraken. So once you're on the Kraken app, simply initiate a withdrawal. Then select the cryptocurrency you want to take out and go ahead and paste the wallet address you copied from your DeFi wallet. So you then have to specify the amount of cryptocurrency you want to transfer, then review the transaction details and confirm the withdrawal. So that's how to transfer crypto from Kraken to a DeFi wallet. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, then consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.